I thought that what we would do today is use the Cricut Maker to make some more holiday decorations. And I want to make some Christmas trees. Open up your Cricut Design Space and search for the images tree and filter ownership to free. If you need a tutorial on how to go from this point to cutting out the trees, comment below. Let's just get right to the cutting, shall we? Now let's click our arrow button again, and then pull back. Alright, here we go. Now it should be very easy to put together. There's a little slit, and these I did get from Cricut Design Space, and they're free Cricut Design Space. And there is a slit here in the bottom and at the top, and we're going to put it together and see if it will stay put. But I just wanted to show you that you can, they're really easy to make. The cut is done, and upside down and slowly peel back. On one side I've got, it's just white. On the other side it's this tree pattern. Now here's the thing, this would look tons better if I had double-sided cardstock. However, I do not. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. It cut out one tree with a top slice out, and it cut out the other tree with a bottom slice out. So we're going to put the tree with the bottom slice out on top of the one with the top cut out, and then just slide it down, and guess what? You got yourself a tree. Be sure to like and comment if you want more content from the Cricut Maker. If you like what we share, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.